Percent of change or rate of change. This is a digital lesson. And the lesson starts with explaining what a percentage is. It's a comparison out of 100. So when we use percentages, it could tell us how much and what percentage something has increased or decreased. And here's an example, another example on the next slide. And then it shows students how to use these bar models in order to find the percent of change. So students are going to be doing this on their own. They're going to be dividing 70, which is their original number, into 10 equal parts. We've also divided 100% into 10 equal parts, and we're going to show that these two are equal to each other. They're going to do that again on the next slide. Another method for finding the percent of change is to use algebra. So we can set up an algebraic equation. If the original number was 75 and it increased by 15, we've got 15, the change, over the original number equals x over 100. And if they solve for x, then they will get their percentage. They're going to be doing that on the next slide by just typing in the numbers. The change, which is 25, over the original number, which is 250. They're going to use cross multiplication to solve. So the change 25 times 100 equals 250 times x. And then they just go ahead and solve for x, which gives them the rate of decrease in that example. They're going to do that again on the next two slides. And then the final method for finding the rate of change or the percent of change is to take the amount of the change and divide by the original number. That'll give us a decimal answer, which we can convert to a percentage. And they're going to be doing that on the next two slides. When they get to the final slide, they're going to make up their own word problem. So the numbers are already included for the students. So they've got 40 and 8. 8 was the change, 40 was the original number. And they can just put any numbers in here they like, or any words in here they like. So say a dog park full of puppies, or they can make up anything they like for that word problem. But the numbers are going to stay the same and everybody will get the same answer. And they can use any of the three methods to solve this. So this is a digital lesson, percent of change.